everybody, and welcome back to my Crochet for Beginners series. In this lesson we're going to learn how to do double crochet. So in the UK it's known as double crochet, in the US it is known as a single crochet. So a top tip for you, if you don't know if your pattern is in UK terms or in US terms, if you look at the pattern instructions and it says single crochet means it's a US pattern. If it is double crochet and treble crochet, that means it's a UK pattern, as we do not have single crochet. So this here is a little test swatch I have done, so you can see what it looks like when it starts to build up. Each little V here is an individual stitch, or this little bit here, that is also a stitch. But sometimes if you're just doing doubles, it can be easier to count the V's along the top. So let's grab our yarn and get started. First of all, you want to make your slip knot. So remember, grab that yarn, pull it underneath, pull over, and there we go, there's our slip knot. So I'm going to begin by chaining 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, it's okay to move your fingers up the chain as you go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I am going to do 15 stitches, so what we need to do now is add just one extra stitch. Now this stitch is not, this chain stitch is not going to be counted as a stitch, we're just going to use it to turn our work. So this is our one extra stitch. Now to start your double crochet, you want to work in the second chain from the hook. So we don't count this loop that's on your hook. Here is the first stitch and here is the second stitch. So to do your double, you want to pop your hook in this little space here in the chain, grab your yarn and then pull it through that loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, grab your yarn and pull through both of those loops. So we'll move on to the next one, into the chain space, grab your yarn, pull it through. So you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through those 2. So let's try another one. So we're going to work into this chain space here. So pop your hook in, grab your yarn, pull it through so you have 2 loops on the hook, grab your yarn and pull it through. And again, so this time we're going to go into here, pop your hook in, grab your yarn, pull your yarn through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And again, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull your yarn through, yarn over and through those 2 loops. And again, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull your yarn through, yarn over and pull through 2, and that is a double crochet. And once you keep working up, you will end up with something that looks like this, hopefully. So well done, you've learnt double crochet. Next lesson we're going to be doing treble crochet. That is the UK term, and it is a double crochet if you're in the US. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.